Hi guys, this is your boy Martin and welcome to a Tuesday short video. Today we will talk about top case rack. So basically unboxing, how-to video, and one extra thing. I'll show you what type of bag we actually use after testing so many of them. So what type of bag we do use on our tour and rental agency, or in our tour and rental agency, toursonfree.com. So all of this Tuesday short, MartinTheVlogger, in case you want one, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. Now enough of this. First 500 views, no video ads, no bullshit around, straight to the point. Alright, as for unboxing, what you get in the box, you get a chrome version of the top case rack, or you get a black version. Black version is the one that we will go with. Now the great thing is that you will need to drill 4 holes. We will get there, but the beautiful thing is that you have actually from inside you have marks where to drill the hole, so it should be very easy and you should not make any mistake. In the box there are some washers, spacers and bolts, and you will need a screwdriver, and also what you will need a drill. So this is 1/8 or 3mm drill. This is 8mm or 5/16 drill. Now the scariest part, or the most difficult part, is to drill holes. So you need to do it correctly, otherwise you will have a leaking top case. Now the rack that we have is using already pre-marked holes, and now hopefully you'll be able to spot them. But once you're trying to use different angles when you look at your top case, one is here, the other one is here. And now on the bottom, where is this holder? It's actually above it. Can you see it? It's right there. And this one is here. Now, my top tip. Is it the top tip? I don't know. But in case you are not super sure, just grab your top case rack and have a look. Okay, here is the marker I have seen. Here is the marker I have seen. So I'm good. And 2 markers are there. So yes, I'm gonna drill a hole into the correct marks. Doesn't make sense? Maybe. Now grab 1/8 or 3mm drill. Normally I would go directly with a bigger one, but I'll do it according to the paper manual. So drill 4 holes. Don't make the mistake. Now grab the bigger one and enlarge the holes. Now, well, pray that you have done correct job. Good. And always for each basically part you will need to grab 2 rubber washers, 2 angle spacers, and 1 bolt. And an angle spacer is no rocket science. Basically the lid is like this, yeah. So on this side there needs to be a thicker part, always outside, and this other way around, outside. And same goes from inside. The same angle spaces are there. So for you, just the bolt fit perfectly. Of course, what you need to do, you need to remove the rubber. Now what I will do, I will try to hold the whole rack on this first holder. There is a lid, of course, a rubber washer, angle spacer, and from the other side it's angle spacer, washer, rubber washer, and Loctite. Now we need to go all around and put the spacers, washers and bolts so our rack will hold on its place. Make it tight, but do not over tight it. And you can use up to 9 kilograms, so together with the rack let's say 8 extra, 10 extra, I think even 15 extra, it's fine. So it's something like 20, 25 pounds, 28. And now let me tell you a little bit about this and about this. So we also will change top case shock. If you know Altis, if you know F3 Limited with the top case, you know that the top shock is weak. So we will replace it, and so it can cope up with more load. I will be replacing it even without the rack because it's just terrible. Now the back, we have used many. What I like about this, and you can buy it together with a top case rack for better price, or alone for not that better price. What I like, it has a lot of hidden pockets, whatever. That's a nice thing, but mostly what I like, it's a good quality. And it's not heavy, it's light. But it can cope up with dirt, but with rain, without protection. So I'm not saying when the sky will fall down on you, but what I'm saying is when it's drizzling, tiny bit raining, it's all fine. When it's raining more, or you would like to protect it against dirt, there is an extra coverage, which is amazing. And it comes together with the whole packaging. Now, what I also like is that you can not expand it or have it like shrink or expand it when you're traveling with your lady, when there is not enough space ever. So nice, beautiful, expandable both sides. It looks beautiful, so that's very important for me. Now, how you can attach it to your top case rack. Of course, you can put it behind you in case you are not traveling with somebody. That's a great thing. In case you're traveling with somebody and you are using the top case rack. We are doing it with bungee net or bungee cords because it's very easy. It's almost like dump proof. But also it comes with these, they call it easy hold, whatever, patent, whatever. So basically you can put these straps around your rack, and there are these kind of holders. So you can have it there automatically. We will not use it in tour and rental agency because it's a tiny bit more complicated for me than using just bungee net. So one top tip was the top case shock. Another thing is what type of bags we are using, but we have, I'm telling you, we have tested plenty and we'll use these. So like this or like this. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I think it's pretty it. Super easy installation, great help. No need of more comments. In case you like what I do, MartinTheVlogger.com, and in case you would like to travel Europe on 3 wheels, tourson3.com, and write me to martinthevlogger@gmail.com. Now guys, remember, buy yourself top case, rack or not, it's your call, but always have fun.